फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I am Suramya Kaushik. T20 World Cup 2024 is on. Before the start of the tournament, there were just a couple of groups which were known to be the groups of death, which means that there were a certain number of teams that were capable to cruise to the Super 8 stage. So there were certain groups where, there were more than two teams who were capable to qualify, but now it seems that all the groups are group of death. And this is because the major teams, the good teams, are in a position where they can be disqualified from the group stage itself. Now, what's the scenario for Team England, the defending champions, Sri Lanka, New Zealand? Let's hear it out from my colleague Soumya Kapoor. सौम्य, क्या हो रहा है? मुझे याद है कि मैच और टूर्नामेंट स्टार्ट होने से पहले कह रहे थे कि यार वेस्ट इंडीज, न्यूजीलैंड, अफगानिस्तान का जो ग्रुप है वो ग्रुप ऑफ डेथ है। अब तो यहाँ सारे ग्रुप्स ही ग्रुप ऑफ डेथ है। हर ग्रुप में एक एक ऐसी बड़ी टीम है जो कि नॉकआउट हो सकती है।
That's the beauty of the T20 format, first of all, क्योंकि अफगानिस्तान ने जिस तरीके से, it is not just about the win, the way they have won against New Zealand is fantastic. उसके बाद स्कॉटलैंड ने जिस तरीके से इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट परफॉर्म करा, that is very brilliant from them. I was of the opinion, अगर वो मैच पूरा होता तो शायद वो एक पॉइंट भी शायद इंग्लैंड को नहीं मिलता। तो कहीं ना कहीं it has been a tournament जहाँ जो थोड़े से छोटे कंट्रीज हैं, छोटे टीम्स हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करा, which is really good for the advertisement of the game or advertisement of the format, because the World Cup went to US. उसके अलावा बस की बात हम कर रहे थे, we were talking about the pitches, we were talking about a lot of things. उसमें ये सब आना, इस तरीके के रिजल्ट्स आना have created a lot of interest in the competition now. So now Afghanistan probably getting into the Super 8s, USA having a great chance of getting into a Super 8 stage, Scotland in there, it's a great advertisement for the format, for the tournament. But at the same time, I feel bad for some of the fans of New Zealand, probably in England, Sri Lanka का बहुत ज़्यादा technically घिचपिच हो गया है, उनकी बहुत सारा वो entangle हो गया है. But again, that's the beauty of this format.
Absolutely. Well, let's have a look at the Super 8 scenarios for England. Now, Team England is in a situation where they will have to win their last two games, but also they will need to hope that Scotland lose their last game against Australia. ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि यहाँ पे नेट रन रेट का भी बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll just read out the net run rate for this group. Okay, Australia have already qualified. They won 3 of 3, so they have a net run rate of 3.5. Scotland, they won 2. There's no result for 1. So they have 5 points in their kitty. उसके अलावा उनका जो run rate है, that's a positive 2.164. England are behind Namibia. In fact, Namibia has played 3 matches, won 1, lost 2. So they have 2 points, but they have been eliminated. They have minus 2.098. England, 2 matches, 1 no result, 1 loss, minus 1.800. So they need a lot of runs, a bigger margin to make a case for themselves, which is certainly not really looking good right now.
Absolutely. So England really need to win by a combined margin of 94 runs or more against Oman and Namibia. So these are the 2 matches that are left for the England side, and they will also have to hope for Scotland's defeat against Australia. और अगर स्कॉटलैंड हार भी जाता है तो भी स्कॉटलैंड के पास ज़्यादा चांसेस है सुपर 8 में जाने के लिए, क्योंकि इंग्लैंड को ये चाहिए होगा कि वो काफी बड़े मार्जिन से मैचेस जीते ओमान और नामीबिया से. ऑल्सो अगर वॉश आउट होता है कोई भी गेम, 2 मैचेस हैं उनमें से एक भी गेम अगर इंग्लैंड का वॉश आउट होता है तो इंग्लैंड इस वर्ल्ड कप से बाहर चली जाएगी. सो दैट्स द करंट सिनेरियो फॉर इंग्लैंड. बहुत मजा आएगा इस ग्रुप में, क्योंकि अगर डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस ग्रुप स्टेज से बाहर होंगे, विल मेक अ बिग हेडलाइन, एंड दैट्स टू बाय अ टीम लाइक स्कॉटलैंड, जिनके पास एक्सपीरियंस कम है और जो बहुत सारे टूर्नामेंट्स नहीं खेलते हैं. विद दैट लेट्स मूव टू द सुपर हिट सिनेरियोज फॉर द श्रीलंकन साइड. सो यू वर सेइंग दैट काफी खिचड़ी है वहां पर. अगर ऐसे देखा जाए तो श्रीलंका मोर और सो आउट ही है इस वर्ल्ड कप से, लेकिन क्या कुछ हो सकता है श्रीलंका के साथ?
So as we can see, they would want Bangladesh Netherlands match in Kingston to get washed out, क्योंकि वहाँ points हो जाएंगे बराबर, like 1-1
बिल्कुल.
they'll be shared. उसके अलावा in either of the Bangladesh, if either of the Bangladesh and Netherlands will get 2 points, then Sri Lanka will be knocked out, because उनका जो points table है, I'll just read out the points table for that group. जो Yeah, so South Africa were already qualified. They have 3 of 3.
Yeah.
Bangladesh have played 2 matches, won 1, lost 1. They have 2 points, but their run rate is really good,
Yeah.
0.075. Similar cases with Netherlands, 0.024 is their net run rate. Sri Lanka have played 3, lost 2, and there's a no result, like washed out game.
Washed out
One of the washed out games. So that's 1 point plus minus 0.777 का जो उनका net run rate है. It's very very difficult for them, and obviously if there is a washout, so to both the teams get 1 point, तो वो anyhow उनको ऊपर ले जाएगा, because they can they can just go to 3 points now.
Yeah,
वो
maximum.
at maximum 3 points पे जा सकते हैं, which again makes a lot of makes the situation very tricky for them. And I don't really, I'm not really, with all due respect to Sri Lanka team, I'm not finding them in the Super 8s now. It's very difficult.
It's extremely difficult, and you mentioned it perfectly well that they can attain only maximum of 3 points, और उसके लिए उन्हें अपना लास्ट मैच जीतना ही पड़ेगा. एंड वो ये भी चाहते हैं कि बांग्लादेश और नीदरलैंड्स ना जीते मैचेस या फिर वॉश आउट हो जाए उनकी गेम्स. सो लेट्स लुक एट द लास्ट पॉइंट हियर. श्रीलंका कैन मैक्स फिनिश ऑन 3 points, as we already mentioned, and that would take them alongside Bangladesh and Netherlands and Nepal, and then net run rates will come into play. बट वहां पर भी श्रीलंका का नेट रन रेट इतना नीचे है कि जो बाकी 3 टीम्स आपको दिख रही हैं वो आ सकते हैं.
नेपाल का भी तब लेके जाएगा, but if Nepal wins it against, they're playing one of those, Netherlands or Bangladesh now. They're left with one match, right?
They're left with one match against South Africa.
Against South Africa. So yeah, again, no,
Yeah,
that's a different.
it's gonna be very messed up situation is there for Sri Lanka right now. So one way, if we have to put it plainly, we can just say that Sri Lanka are more or so out of the
more or
tournament.
less, yeah.
क्योंकि और कुछ ज्यादा बचा नहीं है श्रीलंका के लिए, लेकिन एक टीम जिसके लिए काफी कुछ बचा है और जिसके एक मैच पर बहुत सारी चीजें निर्भर करती हैं, वो है न्यूजीलैंड. न्यूजीलैंड को वेस्ट इंडीज से जीतना ही पड़ेगा. इट्स अ वर्चुअल नॉकआउट. सो मैं न्यूजीलैंड जैसी टीम इस ग्रुप में सबसे पहले बाहर जाने के उसमें है, क्या लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छी बात है यार, हमेशा T20 वर्ल्ड कप में इंडिया को खेलते हैं और इंडिया को हरा देते हैं, जनरली ऐसा होता है. सो jokes apart, I'm just joking. Jokes apart,
Yeah.
New Zealand again. If New Zealand go out of the tournament, it's not. I don't really feel good for their fans. Very good, decent team.
Yeah.
सबसे अच्छे से रहते हैं, अच्छे से बात करते हैं, अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. So very. If New Zealand is not there in the Super 8s or the knockouts, ना वो कलर फ्लेवर चला जाता है टूर्नामेंट का, because they are the team who can beat anyone, and especially in this format. उन लोगों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन रहता है वो बहुत अच्छा रहता है, वो किसी को भी कभी भी हरा सकते हैं. So वो जो एक किक रहती है ना टूर्नामेंट के अंदर, वो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी सी फेड आउट हो जाएगी, because when Super 8s happen, we are really loving it, the way the Minus are playing right now. But जैसे Super 8 आएगा ना, जो रिलेटिवली स्ट्रॉन्गर टीम्स है ना, वो अपना गेम और अप करेंगी. वहां पे वो 5-6 टीमें ही रह जाएंगी आपको देखने के लिए कम्पीट करने वाली. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कम्पीट नहीं कर पाएंगी, वो कंपटीशन का जो लेवल है ना, वो और अप हो जाता है. जो रेगुलर कंट्रीज, बेस्ट प्लेइंग नेशंस है उनका, उसमें न्यूजीलैंड का ना होना, या प्रोबेबली पाकिस्तान का ना होना, या श्रीलंका का ना होना, वो थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है. बट अगेन, as I always say, that's how the game works, and I'll feel bad for them, of course.
Yeah, obviously. But Afghanistan really deserved to be in the Super 8 from this group. The way they defeated New Zealand,
Yeah,
it was a terrific performance from the
yeah.
Afghanistan side. They won it by 84 runs. So the
Hmm.
margin was really, really big. And that's what costed New Zealand because their net run rate is very, very poor
Yeah.
right now. And that's why they would really need
You
a
know
win against.
what is surprising? What is surprising? They've just played one game, New Zealand,
Yeah.
and they've lost it, and we're talking about them getting eliminated. That's how the group is working right now.
Yeah. So, see, that's why, this group was named as the group of death even before the start of the tournament because
Yeah.
everybody knows that Afghanistan now aren't a small side. Afghanistan
Yeah.
are a very experienced side and they know how to
Hmm.
play in tough situations now because of the exposure that they have got in different tournaments. And that's why right now we're talking about New Zealand's exit from the T20 World Cup. Well, it's going to be a big
Yeah.
game, New Zealand versus West Indies. आप सभी लोगों को पिक्चर क्लियर हो जाएगी वेस्ट इंडीज और न्यूजीलैंड के मैच में अगर न्यूजीलैंड जीतता है उस मैच में तो फिर न्यूजीलैंड को अपने बाकी मैचेस भी जीतने पड़ेंगे और अगर वेस्ट इंडीज जीतती है then West Indies will cruise to Super 8 and Afghanistan will become the second favorites. So that's the scenario right now. Let's see what will happen in this T20 World Cup 2024. We already explained you how Pakistan can move to the Super 8 and how India and US have the chance to be the two teams to go to the Super 8. So वो एक scenario हम already explain आपको कर चुके हैं पिछली वीडियो में. In this video we explained you the scenarios for England, Sri Lanka and New Zealand. That's that for now. Well, let's see what will happen in this World Cup ahead. Till then, you stay tuned to Cricket Next for all the details.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें,
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस,
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।